If you want to know how to deselect in GIMP fast, the quickest method is a simple keyboard shortcut, and it works in just a second. This is one of those tiny GIMP tricks that saves you time every single day, especially if you're editing images, moving selections around, or just trying to clean up your workspace. In this video, I'll show you the shortcut, the menu method, and I'll also explain why you might still see a border after deselecting, so you don't get confused. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, if you want to deselect everything in GIMP using the keyboard, here's the shortcut. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl, Shift and A at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift and A. As soon as you use that shortcut, GIMP will remove the active selection from your image. This is the fastest way to deselect, and it's the one you'll probably use the most once you get used to it. If you prefer using the menus, or if you simply forget the shortcut, there's an easy visual method too. Look at the top menu in GIMP and click Select. From the drop-down, choose None. That does the exact same thing as the shortcut and clears the current selection. So whether you're a keyboard shortcut user or a menu user, GIMP gives you both options. Now, here's something important. Sometimes, after you deselect, you may still see a yellow dashed outline around your image. A lot of beginners think the selection is still active, but in many cases, that border is not a selection at all. It's just the layer boundary showing the edges of your active layer. So if you've already deselected and you still see that border, don't panic. Your selection may already be gone. If you want to hide that border, go to the Image menu and check your view settings for the layer boundary display. Turn off the layer border option and the outline will disappear. That way you can clearly see whether you're looking at a real selection or just the layer edge display. So to recap, the fastest way to deselect in GIMP is Ctrl-Shift-A on Windows or Linux and Command-Shift-A on Mac. If you'd rather use the menu, click Select and then choose None. And if you still see a border afterward, it may just be the layer boundary, not an active selection. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more simple GIMP shortcuts and editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.